What's with a monocle, maybe? Is there a third eye, third eye? As for the rest of us, maybe two will do fine, do fine, do fine. As for the third eye,
The local women's, they soak this in underwater for about 2 weeks as well, and they use the bark to weaving the things, we call it kia, tying around their waist while they're going to church on Sunday, or even the special occasions. See this tree, a lemon tree. They grows wild in the island. There's some wild lemon up there. Walking along down there, and all the caves just face up to the beach. And when we got 11 caves down at the bottom, all the caves is to see the sunrise from inside to outside. There's a good spot down at the bottom there for snorkeling. You can see a lot of fishes down there. And Simpa, see them long coconut trees down at the bottom there? It's going to climb one of them for us today.
Is this ordained in some great grand plan? Or is it made by some mere man's hand? The pretensions of the Polynesian Dandyman. Get they do their culture, they get what they get ill for. Too much respect and all, protect them all. What can you know of this common man? What the privileged private schools have.
I'm ready for a swim.